learn, and we could be inspired by this example of our grade 6 pupil special science class, no? Grabe ang iyong pag-antos, no? Sukat mo pag grade 1. Grade 1 special science class mo, hantod, nabot na yun mo sa grade 6. So I do hope and pray na sa high school poon, mupadayan gyapon mo sa inyong pagka-special science class. And hopefully, with our support as teachers, bisan namin dili gyapon dili sa elementary, you can still come and talk to us if you have problems, no? Kamo mga bata. And my dear parents and guardians, let's continue to support your children for this program. We, as our dedicated educators, we would like to thank you also for your passion and guidance na binigay sa mga grade 6 teachers headed